What's up, everybody? DJ Spy Guy here. How are y'all doing? How y'all doing? We're about to head out of here. It's kind of chilly. It's like 6 degrees right now. This may be the last day or two of fog here in Vancouver.
Stream online at Wednesday, January 21st, 2026, 3 hours, 19 minutes, and 8 seconds p.m.
How about we go home? Oh, okay. Yes, it's sunny out too. Sunny and foggy. All the things combined.
Linux Physics said, "Hi, is Strava running?"
Yeah, we got it going. Whew. La 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 la. Okay, let's all go straight. There's that sewer smell.
Linux Physics said, BMW drives like a Corolla.
Oh, I'm going to turn my light on because there's another BMW driver there. Oh, that guy is like... Ooh, look at this fancy Corvette, this red Corvette coming up. I like that. Okay, away from that intersection. Oh, look how clear it is right now. Oh, there's a cheater. Cheater, pumpkin eater. Linux, I was gonna say these roads are dry, and for the most part they are. Now they're kind of moist again. I wonder where my ending and starting point will be.
Linux Physics said, sorry, video was cutting out. What did you say?
Stupid internet. I was saying that there's more dry parts on the pavement now, which is nice. But this is kind of moist over here still. Sunshine, we like it. Sunshine, no fog. What's going on? Oh, we gotta beat the pedestrians. Let's go.
Trem Live said, "Aw ye."
Trem Live. We got 5 seconds to go and not gonna make it here.
Trem Live said, is it sunny now?
Sunny and across the street here. This guy's doing a U-turn maybe? No.
Linux Physics said, condos around here look nice, but the sky drain the Canucks traffic must be horrible. Trem Live said, go Canucks.
I think I had their left turn signal on and they didn't turn left. That's why you gotta be careful all the time. Go Canucks! Tank those Canucks! Let's go for 12 in a row. 12 losses in a row.
Trem Live said, I don't mind losing, but can we at least lose with dignity?
Another 6-0 game coming up maybe. That'd be nice. Oh, everybody that gets the new NHL video game next year that's a Canucks fan is gonna have a shitty time playing their own team. Here we go. Got a couple of
Trem Live
e-bikes.
said, I'm the best GM.
Oh, nice. Just throw that Dead cigarette on the ground. I guess, is that what you said? What do you do with a dead cigarette?
Linux Physics said, General Mascot. Linux Physics said, Good luck Mascot. Trend Live said, Linux Physics.
Oh, hey there. Cool bag. Mascot. Good luck, mask. Oh, I'm reading, trying to decipher what you guys are talking about. Oh, Vancouver Voodoo jersey. That's kind of cool. Did you guys ever see the Vancouver Voodoo play? Or know what that is? I believe they were an inline skating hockey team in Vancouver. A rollerblading hockey team in a league. I don't know how many teams there was that were in the league though. More garbage just thrown on the ground.
Trend Live said, Rollerball?
Nice. I like the garbage on the ground there. It's great. Let's open my pack of cigarettes and just throw this plastic on the ground. Roller, no. I don't know what it was. Well, that was dumb of that truck, but whatever. I'm not gonna beat the truck. Oh.
Linux Physics said, what a jerk.
I think he was waiting. He was already there waiting for too long in his mind, and he needed to go. He needed to turn left, no matter what. Oh, look at this guy fly. Hey, when you guys go out to dinner these days and it has the auto tip starting at 18%, do you just do the 18%?
Cbia23 said, hello mate, love your stream and would like to be a fan and friend. Add me on Discord, my username Debbie029.
Do you do the 18% or do you go back a menu and put it down to 15% or less? Or do you even go up more? 20%? 22. What do you guys do? Today I did 18% at Cactus Club. I don't know. I don't ever really go out that often, so
Trem Live said, last time I chickened out ended 18. Linux Physics said, I picked the middle one.
You picked the middle one?
Trem
Okay.
Live said, but next time, no tip.
No tip at all? Oh, she's got the matching hoodie. Limers. Oh, and she totally cheated too. And he's, I don't know what they're doing. It's like I'm playing a video game.
Trem Live said, it's not my job to pay your living wage. Linux Physics said, it's Mad Max Scooter Edition.
At least that girl's hoodie was like nice and puffy. So, oh, here she is. Shh. So if she crashed, maybe the hoodie would, maybe it's like inflates some more. There they all go, all the EVs and people on racing bikes. And I'm just on a Norco. I see. Uh-oh. They're enjoying a 6-pack each of beer tonight, this afternoon. Everything's tonight. Like, I feel like chicken tonight. Ooh. I think I'm going to cycle every day to work this week and then do 3 days a week next week, 2 days work from home. And then next week is my last week that I can work from home until we do 5 days a week permanently. Like all the big companies are doing now. The Road Warrior was much better than the first Mad Max movie, I think. Was the Road Warrior the second one? And then Beyond Thunderdome was the third one? With Tina Turner, and that wasn't that great either. Oh, here's a table. A free table, like an actual table for free. Oh, but that was the table that was set up here earlier today. Maybe it isn't for free. Here comes Amazon Prime once again. If you got your Amazon Prime, why don't you use it on your favorite streamer? Amazon Prime free subscription for Twitch TV. Actually, I have my own. I have one that's free right now. I got to decide who gets it this month. Will it be a millionaire streamer, or will it be someone local? Who's gonna get my free sub? Who? We can swap subs if you want. I know that's not allowed, is it? Oh, so I had the chicken tenders today, and they were delicious over at Cactus Club. So good. They were so hot and fresh, burned my mouth almost. It's like my meal was the last one to be made for the whole table, so it was the freshest. And still kind of affordable compared to everything else on that menu. Holy jeebus. A lot of people don't want to stop when they're coming home from work. That's a dirty, gross scooter. Or it's a motorcycle, actually, I think. Spewing smoke. Burning oil.
Linux Physics said, a $10 Tim Hortons gift card is worth $10, but a $10 Cactus Club gift card is worthless.
Basically. What about a $2 Tim Horton gift card? A $2 Tim Hortons gift card at Tim Hortons is almost worthless. I mean, who would give somebody a $2 gift card? Okay, we're gonna go right because there's too many cars down there already. Smart. That's the guy I was talking about yesterday, who I think is upset with me. No. His jacket really shines up at night in the lights. It's one of those...
Linux Physics said, he's still upset and stalking you.
Yeah, but I forget what the material is. 3M material? Oh, it smells like they've got the barbecue going. Okay, let's see how many people stop for me here. I'm not gonna even put my left arm out.
Linux Physics said, was that guy breaking the hot scooter?
Was that guy? No, he was repairing it with some or some fancy screwdriver. Okay, I don't have my left arm up at all. It just confuses all these people. Now I will signal. And we are safe. We're out of that mess. Yeah, it sounded like he was breaking it, but he was just torquing up some screws, I think. Oh yeah, see, this is all nice and dry here now. I haven't seen dry pavement for a while.
Linux Physics said, you need a prop water bottle.
Yeah, I don't have one with me right now.
Linux Physics said, maybe next time, take out your phone and pretend you're watching TikTok in the middle of the road.
I sort of did pretend like I wasn't looking at anybody. But my phone is right in front of me on the bike. Ooh, we're gonna see a crashy crash. No thanks. No thank you. I wonder how cheap I could get a Canucks ticket for now. Oh, you. I think the official prices are still very expensive, but maybe the reseller, I don't know how low they are going.
Linux Physics said, newbie driver.
Newbie 60-year-old driver. I see a lot of bikes in this situation. They would pull all the way over to the edge of the road here, the sidewalk, to the curb. But I do not do that. I keep going in a straight line. That house still says Happy Halloween on it. It got stuck in the Halloween mode. I don't know what's happened to it. Uh-oh. There's an envelope on someone's windshield. I wonder if it's a passive-aggressive note from a neighbor. Probably is. Cool, we're almost home. My warm house is almost there. I think I might go get...
Linux Physics said, wish there was a can of red paint bucket as a prop for bike handlebars.
I don't get it. I don't get it, Linux. Oh.
Linux Physics said, driver see you carrying open can of red paint on your handlebar. They will be extra careful.
Ah, okay. I get it. Wow. Thanks for riding along with me on this bike ride home. Nice weather again. Very nice, actually.
Linux Physics said, thanks for the stream. Have a great evening.
Thanks, Linux. Thanks, Trem. Thanks for everybody else that tuned in. Thanks to all my YouTubers. Thanks for subscribing over there on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button and that like button. All that good stuff. Hit the follow button if you're on Twitch. And I will see you on the next episode. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.